Welcome to Master Your Fear, Simple Strategies for a Happier Life. In this video, we will discuss techniques on how to conquer your fears and live a more fulfilling life. The first step to mastering your fear is to understand it. Fear is a natural response to protect ourselves from danger, but oftentimes our fear doesn't serve us. By identifying our fear and understanding it, we can start to take control of it. Now that you understand your fear, it's time to challenge it. Push yourself out of your comfort zone and face your fears head-on. The more you challenge your fear, the more confident and empowered you will become. Negative thoughts and self-doubt can often fuel our fear. Instead, focus on positive affirmations and practices such as mindfulness and gratitude to replace fear with positivity. This will help you approach situations with a clear and rational mindset. Thank you for watching Master Your Fear, Simple Strategies for a Happier Life. By understanding, challenging, and replacing your fear with positivity, you can live a more fulfilling and happier life. Don't let your fear control you, take the first step towards conquering it today.